Good morning, guys. Merry Christmas Eve. Today is Christmas Eve and we're here and we're getting ready. So much is going on. I'm so busy. I got called in, so tonight, well, once it's midnight, it's Christmas, and then at 2 a.m. I have to go to work. So it's gonna be an interesting day. It's super confusing what's happening today, but we're gonna try to make it work. Krista's here. Say hi.
Hi fam.
Hi. We're all packed up. We're ready to go. Gifts and everything. So I'll talk to you more about it later. We'll see you soon. So guys, it's a snowstorm officially. We got lost and we drove about 10 minutes out of the way. I hate driving far, just so you guys know. It's a snowstorm, so yeah. And I gotta go to work at 2 a.m. tonight and drive an hour home from my aunt's house. Yay me. Well, guys, hope I make it home okay. I'll let you know what happens.
Bye vlog.
See you guys later. Drive safe,
Merry
okay?
Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Look at it. It is brutal out here. Chris is gonna leave and I'm gonna stay here with the family. So Merry Christmas, guys.
Bye.
Okay, go.
Bye.
Bye.
In 200 meters, turn left. Turn left onto Queen Street South.
Hey guys, what's going on? So I just had Christmas. I didn't want to bring the camera in because, you know, who knows who wants to be on camera,
Take 4
right?
kilometers on the current road.
But I'm on my way home and it's a snowstorm and it is 9 o'clock, 9:40, and I gotta be at work by 2 a.m. So this is gonna be a fun night for me. I'm gonna be exhausted tomorrow, but you just gotta be positive. Christmas Eve, driving all the way home alone. Oh well, what are you gonna do, right? Anyways, we'll see ya when I get home. Okay, peace. Okay guys, so I'm just editing the vlog and I realized that I didn't end it properly, so I'm gonna end it now. I drove home from Christmas with my family and they're about an hour away. So it was a big snowstorm and I got called into work and I had to go to work at 2 in the morning. So, well, I had to wake up at 1:30. So I drove home around 9:30, 10. It took me about an hour to get home. And then I got home and I just laid down and tried to sleep for like an hour, but I didn't really sleep. So that's why I didn't end the vlog. So tomorrow it'll start with me getting up at 1 in the morning to go to work. So thank you guys for coming on this journey with me. Merry Christmas. I hope you had a good holidays. I hope you got everything you wanted and all your family and friends are healthy and happy. And that's it. So I guess I'll see you tomorrow. It's been a really crazy week for me, but I hope all of you are all relaxed and everything's going good. And yeah, please subscribe below for more. And we'll talk soon. See you tomorrow, guys. Peace.